Conclusion. Make no mistake, mastering the Facebook advertising system is neither quick nor easy. It also isn't cheap. You need to maximize every single second you spend trying to figure out Facebook's advertising platform. You have to make it produce value. The good news is, if you have the right attitude and you really allow yourself to learn Facebook's ad system backwards and forwards, you gain a tremendous competitive advantage. Most people aren't able to figure it out. This is why they outsource this type of work to some other expert or consultant. Let me clue you in on a secret. Most of those experts and consultants are just faking it until they make it. They're just as clueless as their clients. Sure, people are paying them upwards of $5,000 to $10,000 a month, but at the end of the day, the results that they produce really aren't worth writing home about. Since you have devoted your precious time to learning Facebook's ad system, you need to go all the way. This will enable you to put together a plan and a strategy that is battle-tested. This strategy will be tried and proven and will enable you to maximize the results you get from this platform. Nobody can take that away from you. This will be your most valuable asset. Unfortunately, this is an asset that you build one day at a time and after a lot of hard work. But believe me, it's more than worth it.